Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hayatu Sahaba, first part. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam commands Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu to first call people towards Islam during the Battle of Khaybar. Hazrat Sahal ibn Sa'ad radhiyallahu anhu narrates that during the Battle of Khaybar, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced, "Tomorrow I shall give you the flag to the person on whose hand Allah shall grant victory. He is person who has love for Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and whom Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam also love." Hazrat Sahal radhiyallahu anhu mentioned that the entire night the Sahal radhiyallahu anhu kept thinking which of them would receive the flag to lead the army into battle. The following morning, all the Sahaba radhiyallahu anhu came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, each one hoping that he would be the one who received flag. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced, "Where is Ali bin Abi Talib?" The Sahaba radhiyallahu anhu replied, "Oh Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is suffering from pain in his eyes." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent someone to call him. When he arrived, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam applied some of his blessed saliva onto Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu's eyes and prayed for him. His eyes was immediately cured, and it appears as if he had never suffered any pain at all. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam then handed the flag over him. Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu asked, "Should I fight them until they become like us?" Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "March at a moderate pace until you reach their field. Then invite them to accept Islam, explaining to them the rights due to Allah that are compulsory for them to fulfill. By Allah, if Allah uses you to guide even a single person, it is better for you than red camels." Thank you.